Here we are, looking for the famous green woodpecker. Julie is sat down, set up now with her camouflage gear on. She's waiting for the gorgeous bird to come in and arrive. We've seen two of them this morning on our way to our stalking position. She sat safely 30 to 40 meters away from some ant moles where the woodpecker will come in with a little bit of luck and start feeding. The beauty is these gorgeous green woodpeckers are just beautiful to watch. And hopefully, if Julie keeps still enough, she'll get the picture she loves to get. We'll while away a few hours now, just sat waiting. Nice sky, nice day. Couldn't think of better things to do. We've got spare batteries. We've set up on a tripod today. We've got general stabilization on. We're shooting at 600 mil. We're a third of a stop under because of the bright sky. We'll just see what you can get on this Canon 7D Mark II Sigma 150 to 600 contemporary. Plus some software at home will enhance a photograph. We keep trying to better the shot. We've got beautiful shots already over the period of time we've been coming. But to get the shot is near on impossible because you're never happy with the shot you get. But we keep trying, and you'll eventually get better and better shots. You may have to come weeks, months, possibly years. Time, pressure is all we got. We're just gonna wait and see. But like I said, time, pressure. It's all anything takes really. That and a goddamn big poster.